In this video, you will get to know about simple future tense. When to use simple future tense. Number 1. Action in the future. We use it to describe actions or events that will occur later after the present moment. Examples: I will go to the park tomorrow. They will have a picnic in the park on Sunday. He will call you as soon as he gets home. Future predictions. It is also used to make predictions or statements about the future based on what we think will happen. Example: it will rain this weekend. He will probably be late because of the traffic. I think she will win the race. She is a fast runner. How to form simple future. Positive form. Start with the subject, add will, and then add the base form of the verb. Example: I will go to the park tomorrow. He will visit his grandmother. They will call me as soon as they can. Negative form. Use will not, shorten to won't after the subject to form negative sentence. Examples: I won't eat ice cream before dinner. They won't travel during the holidays. She won't go out because it's raining. Question form. Begin with will, add the subject, and then add the base form of the verb. Example: will you come to the party? Will they watch the movie tonight? Will she visit her grandmother this weekend? Thank you for viewing. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about future perfect tense. When to use future perfect tense. Actions completed in the future. We use it to describe action or event that will be finished before a specific time or another action in the future. Example: by the time you arrive, I will have finished it. By the end of the year, he will have visited 5 countries. We will have planted all the flower by next spring. Emphasizing completion. It helps us emphasize that an action will be done, completed or achieved in the future before something else happens. Example: she will have graduated by next year. I will have mastered the piano before next year's big recital. How to form future perfect tense. Positive form. Start with the subject, add will have, and then add the past participle form of the verb. Example: he will have finished the book by Friday. We will have cleaned the house before the guest arrives. Negative form. Start, use won't have after the subject, and then add the past participle form of the verb. Example: I won't have eaten dinner by the time you come. They won't have completed the project by the deadline. Question form. Begin with will, add the subject, then have, and finally add the past participle form of the verb. Example: will they have fixed the car before the trip? Will you have read the entire book by tomorrow? Thank you for viewing. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn about future perfect continuous tense. When to use future perfect continuous tense. Actions completed in the future. We use it to talk about action that will be ongoing starting from now and continuing up to a specific point in the future. Example: by the weekend, I will have been working on my company's game-changing project for a week. Emphasizing duration. It helps emphasize how long an action or event will have been happening in the future before something else occurs. Example: by the time I graduate, I will have been studying at the university for 4 years. How to form future perfect continuous tense. Number 1. Positive form. Start with the subject, add will have been, and then add the base form of the verb with ing. Example, she will have been reading the book all night. Negative form, use won't have been after the subject and then add the base form of the verb with ing. Example, I won't have been studying all night. Number 3, question form. Begin with will, add the subject, then have been, and finally add the base form of the verb with ing. Example, will they have been playing chess for hours? Thank you for viewing. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.